Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a PDF document from a JSON file in Node.js. So we have this input JSON file right here, and from this JSON file I will show you how to create a PDF file. So we have this JSON file right here. So for this we need to install a package here which is a pdfkit. So just install this command here by executing this command npm i pdfkit. I've already installed this package. So as I run this file right here, if you see, you will see on the left hand side the JSON file will be converted to PDF, and this PDF file is created output.pdf, and you can see all your data has been successfully converted. And now I will show you step by step how to actually do this. So for this you first of all need to import the file system module, which is a built-in module. Then we import the actual package, which is your PDF kit. So we simply require PDF kit, and after requiring it we actually read the input JSON file. For reading it we will first of all wrap everything using JSON parse. And then we will read this file system dot read file synchronously, and we will basically pass the name of the file which is located in the same directory output.json. And then we will create a new PDF document by instantiating this constructor new PDF document. After doing this we actually can pipe the data by using file system dot create write stream, and inside this we specify the output file name, which will be output.pdf, and then we can control some properties related to this PDF document, such as the font size by using doc font size. I can set this to 12 and then dot text, and then we can insert this JSON inside this PDF JSON.stringify JSON data null 2. So we insert this JSON into the PDF, and now we just need to end this, so docked end. So this creates your PDF file, and then we can show a notification message that PDF generated successfully. So very systematic process guys. First of all we read the JSON file by using the file system module, then we created the new instance of this, then we pipe the data, create this output PDF, then we can control the font size and insert the JSON data, simply end the file and show the notification. So if I run this now, deleting this and again running the script right here, you will see it is saying that null is not defined. Sorry, this is null, not null. So you will see your PDF generated successfully. So in this easy way guys, you can create your PDF file from the JSON file using pdfkit inside Node.js, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.